Okay, well, still smells burnt down here, but I went ahead and just welded in my my right-hand heater channel. So really what I did is I made it removable in case, but I'm doing some measuring. So if I look at this side, you know, it's about 1.5 inches off of that lip. And then if I look at this side, the old one, right, 1.5 inches off of that lip. So I had measured 4 inches down, and over here I had measured 4 inches down, and that is exactly where it was. So I have some metal repair here on the body, but the actual positioning, I also checked, and this needed to be about halfway across the bolt. So if I look at that, it's about halfway. The right hand side of this is right at halfway across that bolt. And then looking down here, first of all, this then widens out a little bit to go there, and that is about right. Maybe this is out a little bit too far this way, but I think it's going to be fine. And then this was about halfway if I compare the right and left sides. And then here, you know, this is a mess, but this was rusty, so I'm welding onto something that's rusty. I'm going to put a cover panel onto that, and you can see how this thing goes here. So this Y tube go like this, and something is going to connect the two when I'll make something, fabricate something to weld this, and I'll just connect these two. So that looks good. So this is the old one over there, and let's look at the new one from the other side. That is new heater channel. Hard to see because it's getting dark out here, but you know, I've got a lot of work to do, I think, to weld it fully into place, because right now it just has probably 10 or 12 kind of big spot welds, and then I have to cut this one out. I may go ahead and cut this one out. See, look at all that. I may go ahead and cut this one out, go ahead and put it in temporarily like that, and then just kind of make sure I have everything in place. And then, you know, just like I did in here, I'm gonna have to do some cleanup, a little bit of bending, a little bit of cover spots. You see there's a hole right there. What is that hole? I don't know, but I'll probably just go to Lowe's and get some sheet metal and start bending little fabricated parts like this here. You're noticing this on the other side, this actually comes out almost flat. So this, where the accident was, this doesn't come out. But you know, so I have to bend this and try and make this side. See, look here. This side is messed up, and I need to make it look as much like this side. See how that comes out, like 3/4 of an inch, just pops straight out after that little bolt. So look at on this side, I have the little bolt, and it's not popping out at all. So this, you know, ideally I could pull this out about a centimeter or so. Pull this out this to about here, and then you know, I'll figure out something. But the line of the heater channel, when I look down, the line of the heater channel I think is correct. The lip is definitely wider on the new one. Also, something that I found is the tube here is 1.5 inches, and the one in here is either 1 or 1.25. So to go up to the defroster. So what I've got to do, I ordered from Amazon a 1.5 to 1.25 adapter that's metal. I'm going to stick that on the top of the heater tube, the heater channels tube, and then I ordered the paper, or not the paper, but I ordered the proper 1.5 tubes, which are going to come up. So, all right, well, that's the progress. A lot of grinding is going to be needed, a lot of fabrication, but the positioning of these heater channels, or of this right-hand heater channel, seems to be good.